Thanks for viewing our short video showing the Landmann Ardor 5-burner gas grill inside and out. Here's AmazingRibs.com's Clint Cantwell, who tested this model. If you're on YouTube, Facebook, or another social media site and want to learn more, go to the link on AmazingRibs.com below to read our detailed review. I think you'll understand why Forbes magazine calls us the world's leading outdoor cooking resource. This product was sent to us by the manufacturer. When we're done with our testing, it will go back to them or be given away. We never sell test models, and no one ever pays us to be reviewed. This grill is made almost entirely of high-grade 304 stainless steel. The V-shaped heat tents help sizzle drippings and even out heat. Stainless steel rod grates. We have an infrared back burner for the optional rotisserie. We really like these stainless steel rod grates way better than cast iron grates. They're easy to clean and allow an even brown crust to develop on meat surfaces, rather than branding them with brown bands. Landmann claims to have incorporated some unique design features that make cleanup easier. Attractive seamless welds on the front panel and hood. Here's the burner control knobs for the mains, as well as a smaller one for the infrared rotisserie burner. Underneath is a wide left to right slide out grease tray. We have handy collapsible side shelves on the left and right. Double door cart with plenty of storage area for your LP tank and more. The Landmann Professional Series Ardor 5-burner gas grill with cart. Looking great. Sure feels solid. And we're excited to see what those 5 powerful burners can do. To read our detailed review, go to AmazingRibs.com. On our red navigation bar at the top of your screen, search for our review by the model name. Forbes calls AmazingRibs.com by far the leading resource for barbecue and grilling information. So while you're here, check out our news, tested recipes, technique and science, product ratings and reviews, barbecue competition info, tailgating, barbecue history and culture. And if you still want more after all that, then you're a candidate for our Pitmaster Club. Be amazing. Try a free trial membership. You'll be glad you did. AmazingRibs.com, the biggest, baddest barbecue website in the world.